doing a day in the life today. And we're gonna see how it goes, huh? Today's vlog is sponsored by Home Chef, which is a meal delivery system. Wes and I have tried a few different brands of these, and we've been trying out Home Chef now for the last few days. The portions are a lot bigger, we noticed. I definitely noticed that the recipes are easier. And I found that with some of the other kits, like the recipes they were complicated. So I'm going to be making one of the Home Chef recipes today for dinner so you guys can see what they're like. So there will be a link in the description box if you guys would like to try Home Chef, and they gave me an exclusive coupon code just for you guys. It's Holly30, and that will give you $30 off of your first order. So you guys should definitely try it out. We really like it, and like I said, I'll show you for dinner tonight an example of one of the recipes. So I'm excited. Are you excited? Oh, he's like, I just want milkies. I just want milk, Mom. Wes is off to work.
All right. Gotta go make it happen.
We'll go bring home the bacon.
Bring home the bacon.
Bye, honey.
Okay, bye. I love you.
Burp, burp, burp. There you go. That was a good burp. It's almost time for a nap, huh? Every time we give Charlie a pacifier, or every time he's eating, he crosses his arms like a little mannerly guy. He's getting sleepy. Gotta reheat my coffee. Mom life. It's so nice now that Charlie's like a little bit older. I can actually like set him down for naps and go get ready, or go brush my teeth, or make myself a meal or whatever. Like the early days, there was no setting him down. This is my like mom uniform these days. Leggings, just a comfy top, and hair in a bun. I am excited though because I am no longer wearing maternity pants or anything. Just regular pants. Feeling pretty excited about that. And I'm working on slowly getting back in shape. I've been trying to go on walks and stuff lately, because I've got like 15 more pounds to lose. Okay, he's still asleep. I'm gonna take this opportunity to make some food for myself. Trying to just get better at like relaxing. I feel like that's been such an adjustment to being a new mom, is like this feeling of always being on alert. Okay, so I made some eggs. Now I'm gonna go out to Wes's garden and pick some tomatoes. Okay, I'm eating a real meal with a fork and everything. I swear the first month, Wes and I just ate everything out of packages that we just ripped open. Oh, and Charlie's awake. Hi, you're so cute. You're very smiley when you wake up. Okay, I'm gonna try to eat my food while rocking this baby. Chester's over here. Back to cuddling. This is pretty much life with a newborn. Cuddles, and feeding him, and changing diapers, isn't it? How's this? Every time. I just think that's the cutest thing in the world. Charlie and I just woke up from a nap, didn't we? Yeah. And then you had a little afternoon snack, didn't you? Yes. Ooh, I look a little crazy because we just woke up from a nap. You're so much tanner than me. Not fair. Let's do some tummy time. Very good. Yeah, good tummy timing. Yeah, good job. Pick your head up. Yeah, good job. There you go. Yay. Woohoo! Hello there, Ned. How do you do? Tell me, what is new? How are things in your little bed? What is new? Please tell me, Ned. We took a look, we saw a nook. On his head, he had a hook. Boom, 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 boom. All right, I'm gonna start on dinner. Are you guys my little helpers? So Home Chef gives you this binder, which is really nice to keep all of your recipes in. So you can select which recipes you want online. So you can log in and you can choose which recipes you want, and you can download their app and do it all from their app as well. So this is the recipe that I'm making tonight. I thought this looked so good. Farmhouse fried chicken with mashed potatoes, green onion gravy, and corn. And then the recipe is on the back of the paper with like step-by-step instructions and pictures. I like having the pictures, that's helpful to me. I made this one the other day, really good. You make this like honey butter that goes on top of the salmon. It was insane. So this is what the ingredients come in. They come in these bags. So this is all of the stuff for the farmhouse fried chicken except for the chicken. So the meat is separate. The meat just comes in a separate bag. Had to put this on. Charlie wasn't having it. Okay, Wes is home, so he's gonna take the boys on a walk.
Try it.
He's suiting up in the ergo. We've got 2 carriers. I like them both, don't you?
Hands-free.
They're kind of 2 different purposes or 2 different styles, but I like them. This feels like having a big pregnant belly again.
Yeah.
But I'm rubbing. He's a modern dad on the move.
Hey.
Okay, I'll make dinner. Okay, dinner is served. These are our 2 plates. See what I was saying about the portion sizes? Like, look at all the mashed potatoes you get. I'm so excited to dig into this. I'm trying to wait until Wes gets home from his walk. But this gravy, I just tried a bite of it and oh my gosh, like I've never had gravy with onions in it like that before, but it just like adds this little sweetness. It's so good. My mouth is watering. I just texted Wes, so hopefully he'll get home soon. All right, the boys are back from their walk.
All right, here goes.
Here's your thing. Mmm. Is it good? Isn't that gravy
That's
good?
fried chicken right there.
I've tried the gravy already and it's really good.
That is crazy. How long does this take to make?
I want to say about 20 minutes, 15 minutes.
Sure?
It didn't take long at all.
Oh my god. This is
And look at all the portions you get.
Yeah, that's a lot.
So yeah, like I said earlier, if you guys want to try out Home Chef, there's a link in the description box and be sure to use the code HOLLY30 and you'll get $30 off of your first box. We are clearing our plates here.
Oh, it's so good.
Almost done. Okay, I just took a shower and I'm gonna do this face mask that my friend got me. It's like a brightening face mask because my skin has just been horrible lately, as I'm sure you can tell. Yeah, so I'm gonna do this and I think we're just gonna lay in bed and watch TV, but I'm gonna call it quits on the vlog. This is what's going on in here. Thanks for watching this vlog. Be sure to click the thumbs up button if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And you can follow me on Instagram at HollyCastoBlog. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Is it just me? Or does it look like I have a piece of bologna on my face?
I don't like it. This is the friggin', there's like a weird light on you from the camera.
What do you mean?
You're scaring the baby.
Ah.